What if I tell you there's a very simple way to go about this question without stressing yourself? This question has a trick to it. You can solve it with a normal algebraic method. Yeah, no problems with that, but it's gonna waste you a lot of time in the exam hall. So, what are you gonna do here? First of all, observe this question is not equated to anything, so you're not equating it to anything at all. So don't even think about what you're actually thinking right now. I know what you're thinking. So first of all, we're just going. This is a question we call plug-in question. But before we go further, I'm Chill Math, your favorite tutor here on YouTube, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more math tricks like this. You'll need this for your exam, so don't forget to subscribe, unless you're gonna mix my next video. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now, I want to explain to you that this is plug-in question. This is a plug-in algebra question where you can just put in numbers and it's gonna work anyhow you do it. So what do I mean by that? Let's just, I can say let x be this number and let y be this number, so long as those two numbers will add up to give me 10, right? So let's say x is 3 and y is 7, right? Let x be 3 and let y be 7, sorry. So when our 3 plus 7 is going to give us 10, right? So the first thing we're going to do is just input these values into the next one, right? So now if we do that, we're going to be having 3 squared, sorry, because x is now 3, 2, 3, and then y, which is 7 plus 7 squared, right? So 3 squared is going to give us 9 plus 2 times 3, that's 6, 6 times 7, that's 42, plus 7 squared, that's 49. So our total answer here is going to be 100, right? Because 42 plus 9 is 51, and 51 plus 49 is same as 100, right? So how am I sure that this is the answer? Like, how is it even making sense? What am I saying? How is it making sense, right? So let's try two different other numbers that are same thing, that add up to give 10, right? Which, as x plus y is adding up to give 10. So let's see, x is now 6 and y is now 4, right? So let's put that into the equation again. So what are we going to be having? That's going to be 6 squared plus 2 bracket 6 bracket 4 plus 4 squared, right? 6 squared is going to be what? 36 plus 2 times 6, that's 12. 12 times 4, that's 48, plus 4 squared, that is 16. Adding up everything, we're going to be having 36 plus 16, that's 6 plus 16 is going to give us 52, and 52 plus 48 is the same thing as 100. So now you see why I say this is a plug-in question, because no matter what, try it on your own, use 5 and 5, any number that can add up to give us 10. So long as you do that, you plug it in and get 100. You know that this is a plug-in question, so there's no need of you going about it in a very cumbersome method. You see, it took me not less than 30 seconds to draft this, and it can take you even 2 minutes in your head. I mean, it can take you even 10 seconds in your head to be able to derive the answer for this question. So that is why you don't need to stress yourself on this particular question. So don't forget to subscribe and like for more of my content. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.